Ho Hoax. Ta-da! Oh yes, festive spirit. Anyone for a cookie? A crab cookie? Gingerbread. So we have lovely British weather. But it's looking cool. It's getting there. But the rain is fucking coming down. It's fucking puddly. All the puddles. But it's getting there. It's also getting dark. Look at that, a wild tom. Oh, looks sick though, dude. And my mess, don't worry, it'll get better. It's a lot to do yet. Yes, getting rained off. The rain has not dried the mulch. I mean, it looks good from back here. Don't know if the camera's picking it up, but that looks ruined. Absolutely ruined. The rain has ruined it. It's just absolutely ruined. I could spend a good few hours on this, save it. But I'm just going to put this one down to a loss and redo it another day. It's just I'm going to have to redo the entire lot. All the mulch. All of it. Because of some rain. Oh well guys. Well, here's what it is. It happens. But hey, this means I get to try this one again. Thanks for watching, guys. So yeah, in all seriousness, I went back the next day and about 5-10 minutes after I was there, getting everything out to redo it all, it started chucking it down with rain again, and it has pretty much rained every day that I've had a chance to get out there. So yeah, this is why we can't have no swings. So yeah, follow for more and I'll catch you in the next one. Lates.